This is a short video to help the people on the course that asked about using VLOOKUP. As you'll see, I've got a table of data. I've used a random generator to make up the names, and the scores are not real, they're made up data. That's in the first tab, and if we go across to the second one, you'll see that I've got some grade boundaries. I'm just going to use these higher grade boundaries from a previous maths exam for our example. What we're going to do, we'll start in E5. I'm going to type equals VLOOKUP, and then we're going to tell the VLOOKUP function what data to check. So we're going to look up the data that's in the D column. I'm going to push comma, and we're going to tell VLOOKUP where to look that data up. So we're going to go across to the second tab, and we're going to drag over just here. We're not going to worry about titles. So it will look up the first score and it will find the appropriate grade that matches. We're then going to push comma and type 2 and then close the brackets. And see, when I push enter, that returns the grade of 5B for Irvin Vaughan. If we check that in the boundaries, just to see that that makes sense, you can see here that a 93 would have got Irvin a 5B, but he'd need 102 to get a 5A, so 5B is the correct grade. Now, if we click on 5B just here in E5 and we just drag down with the blue square, you'll notice that it's gone a bit wrong. And the reason for that is, as we've replicated the function down, these numbers here have changed each time. So you'll see that it says D6, D35, D7, D36. So it's now looking for data that doesn't exist. So we can solve that problem if we go back to here, and we're going to put dollar symbols in for the D5 before the D34, and we'll do the same with the boundaries table. And what that does is it tells our functions always to look in the same range of data on both tables. So now, if I go back to here with all our dollars entered, if I drag this down, you'll see that now it fills the table with all the information that we need. Hope that helps.